today's video, I'm doing a chicken Alfredo mukbang with some fried chicken. I made this myself. So, yeah, I have two garlic breads. I'm not gonna be doing much talking, just gonna be eating. I'm hungry. But I'm gonna give y'all some bite though. You want a bite? I'll read it in a minute. Oh. Mm. Come on, chicken. I'm gonna add some hot sauce on it. This hot sauce is good. Okay. Still eating it. That heat. I'm tired. Came off work. Came home and cook. Took a shower. I'm so tired. I'm ready to go to sleep. I make a video in a while. I'm like, I make a video. I am not ordering out. Cook something. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm about to go for another chicken. Oh, happy Friday. Get a big one. What is the biggest one? I think this is the biggest one. Look how crunchy it is. It's so good. Mm. Mm. My fried chicken tasting so good. Mm. I'm getting full already. I love the belly. It's getting full. I'm gonna go for one more chicken. And then I'm in the video. I'm full already. Just kidding. Happy Friday. Oh, I said that already, right? What y'all doing? What y'all outside doing? I'm being nosy. What y'all outside doing? But yeah. I'm gonna start cooking my own food and do these mukbangs. Now I'm not gonna be spending money on food every day. So y'all get some Jamaican mukbangs, so y'all better look out for that. And I'm gonna try to do seafood like once a week. That's it. Once a week. I'm not doing more than that. Seafood is expensive. I'd rather just do what I can afford, cook my little food and do these mukbangs because it's the same thing. It's better than outside. Right? Right. But yeah, for real, I'm not spending too much money on food though. When I cook, I'm gonna cook. I have to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna stop babbling. Get one piece of chicken, juicy. I was sweating. It's so juicy. I'm kind of full. Yeah. I'm full. 16 minutes. Yeah, I'm about to end this video. Well, almost 20 less than a month. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe and please like. It means a lot to me if you do. Thanks in advance.